Hello, again with you, your spiritual reporter. Today, I want to talk about something very important, which is war. To resolve economical problems, it shows in the history that the best way to resolve economical problems for certain people, I call them narrow syndromes, it's to make a war. And these days we are really in the risk of start a new war against Iran. Why? Just because they want to take their petrol and because they want to resolve, like I say, economical problems. So be aware, don't get into it, because the media, as somebody says, make us hate the good guys and love the bad guys. Don't believe all what the media is telling you, because that is not true. So be aware and think for yourself, and don't get involved into a war against Iran. They already been bombarding them, and probably they will try. But if nobody goes to war, there cannot be no war. So please go for peace. Your spiritual reporter, today again from Beursplein in the middle of Amsterdam. 270 cities are together with us. What we do need actually, it's a World Assembly online, so we can decide together the course that our planet should have. Democracy first of all. Thank you. I see you next time.